spoiler alert, I love it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to finally share this video with you. It is about my absolute favorite product. So spoiler alert, I love it. I'll talk about everything at the end. Obviously, you know that this video is about the DYSON AIRWRAP. This was a big splurge, that sounded weird. This was my birthday gift to myself this year. I had, obviously we've all had a hard year, I ended up getting a promotion and lots of good things around work, and I was just really proud of myself. So I thought, why not, Laura-Lee? You deserve it. And I had been eyeing this literally since it came out. So if you're unfamiliar, the DYSON AIRWRAP is a hairstyling tool, but it is very unique where it uses heat, like hot air, opposed to like a hot barrel or a hot surface to curl your hair. And that's how I got these luscious, bouncy curls. I love this. So it comes in this beautiful kind of faux leather kit. I love that it has a place to store, and it's super easy for me because I just throw this in. I have a linen closet right in my bathroom, and I just keep it all together, put it on a shelf. We're good to go. So let's open this. Whoops. So what just fell out was this mat, and this is nice because I do have marble countertops, so I just put this down. Again, the barrel uses hot air, but the barrel still gets warm, and so I don't want to lay it on the counter, so I put this down to put the tools on. Here is what the kit looks like. I got the complete kit with the long barrels. So there's short barrels and long barrels, but I just thought, I mean, my hair isn't super long, but it's long enough that I felt like the long barrel would probably be better. This is the main component. So it has all these buttons. So this is the on, and then you have your, what is this? Just the power. There's 3 settings. And then heat, you can go right to cool. But this, actually, if you hold that button up, that is the cool shot. Oops. This is the cool shot. And that's really, I think, what sets this apart. Kind of like a hair dryer where, you know, you can give your hair a cool dry. But essentially you use this, and to kind of set the style, you have the heat, and then for the last 5 to 10 seconds, you just blast it with a cool shot. So you have all of these different attachments. So we have this soft bristle brush, which I think people think or use this kind of like how I used to use the Revlon One Step Styler. I still think if you're looking for a salon blowout, that does a better job than these two, because I think the mixture of the boar bristle with the hard bristle is nicer. This is the soft one. This is the hard brush, so it comes with those two. Still really nice if you just want to do your blow dry smooth. But to me, I prefer, if you're just gonna buy it for a blowout look with these types of attachments, I would go with the Revlon. It also came with a round brush, but I have not used that. I don't really use this in my everyday life. Then this is the blow dryer attachment, which is awesome. Now, they say this isn't as powerful as their actual blow dryer, and yeah, I would agree, but it does a great job. I have pretty fine hair, so this is all really that I need, and the air comes out this way, and it's lovely. I actually really like this as a blow dryer. And then the curling barrels. Each size barrel comes with 2 to do on different directions. We can get into that. So this is like a 1-inch barrel, and then this is, I think, maybe 1/2 inch. I'll link everything down below. These are the ones that I usually use. There are so many styles that you can do. If you take the small one, that's what I use today, and I will insert my little tutorial how I use this on a daily basis. If you do this style, this is just more like a classic curly blowout. I have the pieces blowing this way, like that. If you want more of a beachy style, you can grab the piece and actually wrap it like that and hold the end out, just like a curling iron, and it gives you the same beachy effect. I've done that. This is such a versatile product. Now, it's not cheap, but I think for everything that you get and the amount of options that you have for one device is incredible. I really like these as well. This is more of a, for me, it's more of a classic blowout look. The only thing I find is because my hair is so fine and can go limp really easily, is that this doesn't always last me that long. Whereas if I do this, the tighter curl, and then I go to sleep my hair in a high pony, the style will last a lot longer. And that's what I'm looking for. So everything clips in to the top part, like that. And you have an unlock lock button. So you can just easily switch things on and off. Now, yes, is that annoying sometimes when I'm doing my hair and I have the barrel here and I need to switch it off to the next one? Yes, but I can do my hair so quickly. Originally, I felt like this would add time. This has actually taken away time doing my hair. By the time I take a shower, get dressed, do my makeup, do a couple things around the house, my hair is essentially like 80% dry. I will just use this to blow dry the roots, just to get the roots really dry, maybe like 2 minutes, like no time. And then I go in and curl my hair, and on a day I'm rushing, I can get this done in like 8 to 10 minutes. It's thicker pieces, but it still is really quick, and it dries and curls your hair, which I love. So I am going to show you how I get this look. Again, there's so many looks. If you would like me to try something different, let me know in the comment section down below, but this is like my go-to. It's so bouncy, so, I don't know, I love it. It's effortless, it's wonderful. So let's go right into the actual like doing my hair. Okay, to begin, my hair is like 80%, no, more like 95% dry. I like it to be a little bit more wet and then to go in with the blow dryer attachment. But I just take this Living Proof full thickening mousse and I just add not too much, that much amount, and then I work it through the mid to ends of my hair as some sort of hold for the style, because I have very fine hair and I only take a little bit up to the top, just what remains. A lot of products tend to weigh down my hair. That is all that I use. And then of course I'm going in with the smaller barrel. Do this. So you can do it this way, it adds more of a beachy wave. I like both ways, but I find if I do it where the barrel is facing outwards this way, it tends to last longer for me. So as you can see, the barrel is pointing outward. I split my hair, and then I like to start in the back. I have it on all the highest settings, and here we go. Now it's like really warm. I'm gonna give it a cool shot. I'm gonna do 5 to 10 seconds. And there we have a nice bouncy curl. So I'm not gonna touch it. I'm just gonna move it on to the back. And I don't touch any of the curls till the very end. So I'm gonna do it again, another piece. Cool
one side is done. Now again, let this sit, switch out the barrel, switch it out, and do the other side. Seems a little bit crazy. What I like to do is do like, and then sometimes depending on how clean the curls feel, I will add this in, but I just start to brush it out. And I'll play with it and kind of add some like texture where needed. With my Bumble and Bumble thickening texture spray. And it is so nice and bouncy. I absolutely love it. It's so easy. I did that in like 10 to 12 minutes, like so quickly.
Okay, that is it for this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again for another video. Bye!